Today's a special day. It's pear picking day. And not even the drops of silver liquid falling upon our faces and in our hair can deter us from today's harvest. Days like this make my heart full of joy. Watching my mom run around with kid-like joy just to see her picking pears for herself, her family, from her family to send to her sisters. So just look at it. This sweet, soft pulp called a pear, about the size of a baseball in my hand. So thank you, Cousin Hubba and Cousin Cheryl, for allowing us to come over and pick pears from your tree of abundance. We had fun chit-chatting, getting hugs, and getting wet in the rain. But I wouldn't trade it for the world because family means the world to me. See you next time on the channel. And as always, remember, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, both at The Priceless Pearl Life. And until next time, you know what to do. Watch this playlist right here, and I'll see you soon.